little wings and my little crown. Oh, so cute. I just can't help being so cute. So what are we doing? We're going on the Paws of Thunder walk with all the other puppies. Gonna dress up like a Pixie Angel. Looking so cute.
Racing. Well, there's a few dogs that are more interested in tackling each other than the course itself. And they divided right there on the finishing line. I'm pretty sure that we were able to ascertain first, second and third. As soon as they started there, they just they couldn't keep it in their own lanes. They just more interested in tackling each other. They thought it was playtime rather than serious dog racing. Goodness gracious. The boxes there, the Kelpie. And it looks like he might even mess the place. There's a lot of money going down the drain there. And the winner, we're about to crown the winner of the Pixie Angel for the fastest dog on the hill is...
Woo!
Couple on the hill here, Lloyd and Jenna King. You notice Jenna from the hip surgery. There we go, folks.
This is so good. Here we go. Fashions on the field. Look at them all. Oh my gosh. Looking very cute. All the other dogs. Emmy and Pixie. Hey Pixie, what do you reckon? Pretty good, hey? Yeah, pretty good. Let's go. Okay. Where are all the other puppies? Oh my goodness. We got rainbows.
Good job, Tony. It's all right.
Oh, looking good. And this one. Classic. Okay, Minty and Pixie. Ah, so pretty. Pretty proud of my little puppy. What'd you get, Pixie? She said, I got third place. I got third place in the Fashions on the Field. So now we're back at home, chillaxing before the pin-ups and pets final, which is via Zoom call. Pixie's just having a little lunch break. She says, I'm a bit sleepy. It's been a big day, Mum. We had a big day with all the dress-ups, all the other puppies. It's been a busy day, hasn't it, Papa? Look, she's got her little angel wings on. Can you see how cute she looks? Oh, looks so cute being dressed up. Oh, and I did have a different, I had my little ears headband on before, but it was hurting my head, so I took it off and just put a bandana on. But it's very cute. It's what one of the girls from the Rainbow Festival from the Brisbane Pride Choir actually gave me, my unicorn headband. I'll grab it because it's super cute. This is my unicorn headband. And I don't know, they dig into my ears and they hurt my head, so I don't wear them very often. Did you find some rice on the table, did you? Was that from when I cooked up your rice before? Oops. Oops. Phone fell down. Pixie, stop it. Stop licking the table. That's a bit gross. Don't lick in the table, Missy. Just stay with me. Alright, won't be long, hopefully. Pixie, you gonna go to sleep? What are you doing? You're just going to go to sleep on the table. Yep. Yeah, I am. Just going to go to sleep on the table. Alright. Put your paws up there.